Hi friends, so this video shows how to lock and hide apps. So first we need to install an application from Galaxy Store. Open Galaxy Store, then search for S space secure. Then tap on this S secure. So this app is from Samsung Electronics. So it is safe to install. Then tap on install. Okay, installation completed. Okay, this is the app. Tap on this icon. Now here we need to enable lock and mask apps, this option. Tap on this, then tap on this button. Here we can see 5 options to set the app lock. You can select one of the option. So I am going to select pin. If you want, you can select pattern, face, fingerprint or password. Okay, so I am going to select pin, then select one pin, 1 2 3 5, then confirm it. So this is your app password. Okay, so after that, here you can see 2 options, locked apps and masked apps. Using locked apps, you can lock any app with the password. Using masked apps, you can completely hide a particular app. Nobody can't not able to search it. Nobody will able to open it. That is the second option. But in the first option, you can lock any app, but others can able to view it, app icon, but they cannot be able to open it. That is the difference between these two options. So let me check the first option. Tap on locked apps, then here you can see one ad. Tap on that, then you can select one app which you want to lock, for example Facebook. Then tap on done. You can see Facebook locked. You can see Facebook in this locked apps list. So let me confirm it. So here you can see one small lock symbol on this Facebook app. That means Facebook is locked. So if you try to open Facebook, it will ask for password. You have to enter this password 1 2 3 5, then only you will be able to open it. So this is how we can lock app. So let me close it. So let me go to a secure app again. Next I am going to show you how we can hide an app. Let me go to the second option, masked apps. Here also we can do the same thing. Tap on add, then you can select one app. I am going to select Instagram, then tap on done. You can see Instagram masked. Let me go back. Just read this message. Changes take effect once the screen turns off. So you have to turn the screen off and on. Then only it actually lock or hide the app. You can see only downloaded apps can be masked. See. So let me check it. So there is no Instagram. Even if you search for right now you can see Instagram here. No, even if you search, there is no Instagram, but that icon is here. I think it's from the cache. We cannot open it. Icon still is there. That is maybe, see, we cannot open it, but it's still showing icon. Let me off the screen, then on it, then check. So now Instagram is not there. So that is why they are saying you have to turn off the screen and on, then only save the changes. Now if you search Instagram, there is no Instagram. Okay, so if you want to open Instagram, again you have to go to Secure, then enter the password, then go to masked apps, then we need to unmask it. Tap on unmask, then tap on unmask again. Instagram unmasked. Now if you go to apps list, here you can see the Instagram. We can open it. So these are the options to lock and hide apps. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.